Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app you should see the health page. Now tap on the device icon and here you should see your Xiaomi Watch 2. Now scroll down, find the button called Unpair and tap on it. Then tap on continue and wait. Watch will disappear from the device page and it should reset itself to the factory default settings. As you can see. Okay. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.